Hello friends, welcome back to the video series in Oracle PL SQL programming. In this video, we will discuss on the sequences. Now, what do you mean by sequence in SQL? When we are creating any table and one primary key in the table, we know this primary key must contain an unique value. So, when inserting the value to that primary key, we have to insert that value carefully and to be unique. And sequence does that job with automation. Means during creation of the table, if we create the sequences for any particular column, such as primary key, the unique value would be inserted or created automatically without insertion by the user. Moreover, we can share this sequence to any other table also. Let us check all this with the SQL Plus, and for that at first we have to log in into the Oracle database, and for that we are using the user system and the password is password throughout the video series, as you know. So now we are connected to the Oracle database. Let us create a table at first named as sample, and for that create table sample with the first one column name as col1 with the data type number and as primary key, and the second one column as column 2 or col2 with the data type suppose varchar2. So now we have created the table sample. So the table has been created, and now we would work on the primary key, that is col1. Now we should create the sequence, and for that create sequence, then the name of the sequence. Suppose it is for the table sample underscore for the column that is col1. Then type start with 100. That means the sequence starts with the number 100 automatically. Then increment by 10. That means now increment by which number the next number would be in the sequence. Here 10 means the next number in the sequence would be 110. If we provide 2, increment by 2, then the next number would be 102, like that. Next one, max value, that is 990, suppose. So what should be the maximum value in the sequence, such as here 990 means the sequence has maximum value 990. Then we can provide cycle or no cycle. Here no cycle means after 990 the sequence should not start again from 100. If we write cycle instead of no cycle, sequence would start from 100. But that is not desirable for any primary key unique value. So no cycle is preferred always. Then we are providing cache 20. Cache 20 means when the first value in the sequence is created, Oracle instantly create the next 20 values in the sequence, and that would be in the cache. So that next values in the sequence would be assessed very fast. That means when we are creating the 100, 110, 120, 130, such that next 20 values would be created instantly. And after that, we are giving a semicolon. Press enter. So the sequence has been created. Now Oracle SQL has the data dictionary user underscore sequences where these properties of the sequences are stored. Let's check it. And for that we are typing DSC user underscore sequences semicolon, press enter. And that is the data dictionary where the sequences properties are stored. Now, how to insert the values in the table sample with the sequence? At first, clear the screen for better view. Here, type insert into sample, the table. Now, the values. Then, parenthesis and the name of the sequence. That one was sample underscore call 1. Now remember, after that a dot next val. That keyword should be there, comma, then the second column was with the data type varchar2, so ampersand, suppose we are giving it name as value, end of parenthesis and semicolon. Press enter. So enter value for value. Suppose we are providing the value as val1. So one row created. We are creating another row and enter value for value, and here we are providing val2. One row created, and once again suppose enter value for value, we are providing val3. Now we can check the inserted values in the table sample, and for that type select asterisk from sample. Press enter. So here are the three values for call 1 has been inserted sequentially according to the given rule and automatically. The 100, 110 and 120. Practically only the value for the second column is inserted by the user, not the first one column where sequence is applied. So this is how sequence is used in the Oracle SQL.